What is going up, everyone? I hope everybody's having a fantastic day today. So it's Sunday night here, and I wanted to make a video kind of describing what's going on with my chat room and why I believe my chat room is pretty much one of the coolest ones out there. Alrighty, so here we have just our regular start page. It's very, very basic. We have our Robin Hood, sign up referral link. Very, very easy. Alright, now this is the premium members page. Now in the future I'm going to be having a course and premium members where we talk about stocks and stuff like that. So here are my YouTube videos for all of my traders who want to keep up with my YouTube videos. It's very, very simple. And now this is the members page, just the basic members. Here we have the trading floor. Most of these are new, but so the trading floor is pretty much when market hours are going on. We can talk about stocks, calling out stocks, stuff like that. Right here, day trading. Now this is pretty much any other thing day trading related. News articles, stocks, stuff like that. It's very, very cool. All right, now here we have our swing trades that we are looking at a possible swing trade on RACE off a nice little support there. Took a trade on what was this? That was NOW, and then this was PVTL trade. 2%, 3%. Adds up in the long term. This is where I normally post my watch list and my pre-market gappers. Alright, here we have our long-term stocks. This is a newer channel here, and here we have our profit and loss statement, and then this is just a little hangout area. So it's very, very, cool. We kind of just, talk about, what we did this weekend and, make sure our team's real connected, which is very, very important. Here, this is a very new thing that I was working on all day today to figure it out. So this is our Stockpot. Now, you can pretty much use this in all of these different, whatever categories, I guess. But, this is just the main one. So what you can do is you can look up, if I wanted to look up a chart for Apple, I would click an exclamation point, go chart, and then space, and then put in the ticker, and then you click it, and then bam, you get it. Or if you wanted to look at a quote, you do the same thing. You type in an exclamation point, quote, and then the stock ticker. And then same thing with news. You go, whoops. You just do news and then the company you want to look for news for. So and then an overview of the overall company. So this is a very, very awesome feature that I figured out. Popular stocks. So if I'm not available to really see what's going on in the stock market, you guys can, pretty much just filter or look at the stocks for yourself. And when you put it out there, everybody will be able to see it. So everybody will get a good idea of the hot stocks and kind of what's going on in the stock market. So it's very, very easy. It's very cool. Also, you can ask questions. You can ask questions like define, then you can go float. Let's see if that works here. I've never actually done this. So, bam, float. So it describes what float is. It's not too complicated. So this will definitely help a lot of new traders, so they don't have to actually go on Google. They don't have to look up everything. They can pretty much just type it in, and they'll be able to see it. So now this is the education part right here. This is new. I haven't posted anything. So this is where we'll be hosting tutorials on like how to use the chat room, how to use the course, how to go through it with ease, how to set up a SureTrader account, how to set up a Robinhood account. Just a very, very basic category here. Now, terminology. This one, I just set it up here, but pretty much I didn't know this bot could do terminology. But terminology, very important. I feel like we should all have that in the chat room. So if that's, say, Money Man said, "Hey Carter, what is the EMA lines?" Then I can either go on the terminology and type it in or make a video about it, or you can just go on the bot and I'm sure you can just go define whatever you want right there. Then down here we have a little feedback section. So now this is where you can have YouTube video ideas. If you need help with something like breaking down types of orders, breaking down study lines. And if you have any questions about anything, about the chat room, how to do things, how to use Thinkorswim, this will be a good idea here. Now, this is the testimonials. This is kind of the same as that profit and losses. So I might just honestly just get rid of this one overall. And then down here, any suggestions to make the chat room better, But yeah, so it's very, very easy. It's very, very cool, and it's very an entrepreneur type atmosphere. And the good thing about it is if none of us can answer your question, you always have that Stockpot to help you and kind of guide you through things. So you can literally go on here and just do everything. If you want my watch list, bam. If you want pretty much anybody's, it's just a very, very awesome atmosphere here. So I have very, very high hopes for the future here, because I feel like this is definitely a kind of a stepping stone for the future, especially for the chat room, because I get questions all the time. Describe this, describe that. So the bot will definitely help with that. So that's it. That's why I think my chat room's the best. We have almost 40 members right now. We're kind of slowly creeping up to 50. Very, very excited for that. And then once we hit that 100 member mark, that'll be very awesome. But in the future, like I said, we're going to be having courses. We're going to be having, giveaways, stuff like that. I do have a simulator with Market Watch if you guys are interested. But yeah, so that's it though. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please sure to like, subscribe, comment if you're new. And if you want to be a part of this chat room, it's 100% free, so you don't have to worry about paying money. And a lot of people think, why would I want to be a part of a free chat room? Well, if you have motivated individuals all talking about stocks and investing, you're gonna definitely help. That'll definitely help you in the long term, and to get your feet under yourself, so you can start learning and doing things on your own. But yeah, so that's it though. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of the weekend. We only got a couple hours, but that start Monday off green. All right, take care, guys.